have naps. The sound of N. He's taking a nap. He has his eyes closed. Naps are nice. He's sleeping. It looks like it's outside because he's in his hammock. Everyone needs naps. See, there's like the little baby here and the mommy. They're napping together. They're both tired. Ned likes to nap near a tree. Oh, look at that. He has a cowboy hat. He likes to take his naps outside. Nan likes to nap on a log. Look at that. She goes out in the yard and there's a big log. She likes to nap on the log. Nora likes to nap near her dog. Look at that. There's Nora. It's a little dog. Still a little puppy. Nick likes to nap near his bear. Look at that. There's his bear. See on his foot it says, "Me to you," says. That's his special bear. Everybody needs a special bear, or special stuffed animal. Nat likes to nap most anywhere. So it looks like he might be on the sofa napping. He'll just nap anywhere. Doesn't have to be outside on a log. Look, I need a nap. She's yawning. She's gonna go lay down. I am taking a nap now. But she doesn't have her eyes closed. She's just resting. She's probably thinking about something before she goes to sleep. And here's the word list. Need, Nan. Nap, naps. Nat, near, Ned, needs. Need, Nell, nice, Nick, Nora, now. The sound of N. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.